Hi all, uh, good evening everyone. My name is Nishant Sinha and this is for Sushant Singh Rajput. Uh, we all know why we are doing this with the purpose that a CBI inquiry is done in his case. We've been shouting our hearts out for the last 38 days, but nothing is happening. So we had to come down to this wherein we do a protest and at least make our voice reach the government and they do something about it. Now I'm not really sure how I wanted to make this video, but because I've been emotional, to be very honest, and not only as a fan, also as such a great talent and a youth, uh, getting trapped in circumstances like this and losing his life is something which is worrisome for us, which is worrisome for the generations to come, whether it is in this industry or whether it is in any another industry. Well, I work in Mumbai. I work in the financial industry, and actually I stay about 600, 700 meters from Sushant Singh Rajput house. I have seen him in real life multiple times. I was a fan. I've almost watched all his movies, starting from Kai Poche uh, to Chichore to Dhoni. Even his acting in Bomkesh, it's a masterpiece. Um, Shuddesi Romance. And I always used to wonder that this guy is so classy. This guy has such great acting skills. And but he's not got what he deserves because he never was in that category. Uh, Media never used to cover him because they were only covering the ones who were giving them money for that. So I never thought he got what he deserved. And when his movie Drive got released couple of months back in the OTT platform, I was surprised but not very shocked. And that was the day I realized that something is wrong. And then couple of months later I hear that he's no more. I was shocked. I first, in the first few hours, I did my research to understand what has happened, and actually, the truth was that he was no more. Well, like all of you, I cried. I still cry when I look at his pics. I still cry when I um listen to his songs. There are so many YouTubers who put videos on him. There is media, except the paid ones, who talk, about him. Kangna's interview. I've been following each and every video, and it's sad to see it. I want, whether it was Dipesh, whether it was Sandeep Singh, whether it was the other two people, whether it was the planners, which is Karan Johar, Aditya Chopra, Salman Khan, Mahesh Bhatt, Riya Chakravarti, Suraj Pancholi, and if anybody else is involved, to be behind bars. As simple as that, because we all are convinced that it was a murder. And it's not necessary that you pick up a knife and the guy who picks up the knife and goes to the place and kills the person, or takes a rope and kills the person, is the only culprit. He is the culprit. But the planners are the bigger culprit because these people will do it again. It's very important to have the CBI inquiry so that all of them, including the servant and everyone, are put behind the bars. And to be very honest, put them in one bar. Let them suffocate there and die. Let them suffocate there and die. I just wanted to express, so I expressed. My second part is to the government. Well, to the state government and the central government. It's high time and it's the right time to act. People are losing trust in you all. Narendra Modi ji, you're doing so many great things for the country. This is something that millions and millions of youth are asking you to do. Say suppose it's a suicide, which obviously we don't agree. What's the harm in getting a CBI inquiry done? What's the harm in that? Just get it done. For us, for the satisfaction. At least we will know what has happened, and maybe when you get the CBI inquiry done, something comes out of it. So, what's the delay in? I will not request Uddhav Thackeray because I don't have any expectation from him. However, and I'm not using, till now I didn't say, I'm also from Bihar. I've never stayed there because my dad was in the army, so I kept traveling. But this guy comes from there, does so many things, and so many things are happening. Millions of people are asking you to do CBI inquiry. Just get it done with. I will only say, if you don't do it, there will be a revolution, and you won't be able to stop that revolution this time. No politician will be able to do that. I think it's very imperative for the youth and the coming generation that you immediately, as soon as possible, get the CBI inquiry initiated and gain the trust of people. Otherwise, this wave will wipe off a lot. This will wipe off a lot. People have already known the truth. The Salman and I'll say the full name, they say which Salman? Salman Khan, Karan Johar, Aditya Chopra, Mahesh Bhatt, all these people, they've done their part. बुड्ढे हो गए हैं, जाने दो उनको, या घर बिठाओ या जेल भेजो. हद कर दिए इन लोगों ने. There has to be a limit. Their connection with the underworld. Daud, what nonsense is happening? There has to be a limit to everything. घड़ा भर गया है. So again a request to you, please, for the people's sake, for youth's sake, for God's sake, for Sushant's sake, please get the CBI inquiry done. I will not say rest in peace Sushant right now, till the time you get, because he's not in peace. First you get the CBI inquiry done, and then we will take the next step. This is for Sushant. Thank you.